Here I've got Geotel Pace to Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it's Google Chrome. Now click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to History. Then select Clear Browsing Data here. And now you can pick some basic or advanced options. So in basic, you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cart images and files. And then in advanced, you can notice saved passwords, autofill from data, site settings, and also media licenses. So just mark all the functions that you would like to delete. So obviously you can also unmark them, but I would like to clear it all. And then pick the time range, so you can choose between last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And I will pick the last option to fully clear browsing data, and then smoothly click on Clear Data. And that would be all. As you can see, there is no history here, and now you can create it from the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browser in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.